Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl. It's your girl. Jenn J. Welcome back for another video. Today's video is going to be on this hair boo-boo. This video is going to be on this hairdo. It's kind of like, it's interesting. So when I did my hair yesterday, I went and asked Bay. I said, hey, what did you think of my hair? And he was like, oh, well, I can't really give you a review until your hair is done. And I'm like, well, what you mean? This is the hairstyle. And he was like, oh, I thought you were gonna finish. Excuse me? This hairstyle is done. Anyway, so I was just like, he's being a hater. I went about my business. So my mom saw me later on and she was like, oh, are you pre-pooing? Pardon me, ma'am. No, this is a final look. So everybody at home was just like, okay, well, you done lost your mind. But I had a vision. I feel like this hairstyle is cute. I don't care what anybody say. I am rocking it. I am keeping it on because I think it's beautiful. I'm gonna say this though. I need to prop my shoulder to say that. I'm just gonna say, I feel like a hairstyle like this is kind of like more accepted on looser hair versus 4C hair. So me having 4C hair and having my kinks show within these bantu knots, it just looks like my hairstyle is not finished. But someone with looser curls, you know what I mean, in the 3s category, they will whoop their edges, have their hair looking all smooth, and it's okay. I'm just gonna put that out there because I feel like it's a thing. So anyways, this long intro is to let you know that this video is going to be on these bantu knots, not bantu knot out, because we're keeping our knots in today. Before we get started, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell so you get notified every single time your girl uploads a new video. Also follow me on Instagram where I post more pictures, more hair tips and tricks, all of my makeup looks. So if that sounds like your thing, follow me over there. Between you and I haven't washed my hair in almost a month. And I am not even planning on washing her. I need her to give me another weekend. I'm going away this weekend and I just don't want to have to deal with her. So I'm going to style my hair in a way that's low-key so that I don't have to do it all weekend, knowing how dirty my hair is. So what I ended up doing is co-washing. There she is. There she is. I co-washed my hair. And you know what? I think she's gonna be okay. She's gonna be just fine. So my plan is to do these super cute bantu knots. I mean, bantu knots are not a new style by any means necessary. We've been doing bantu knots forever, but this is what I feel like doing today. This is what the Holy Spirit spoke into my soul this morning. So that's the style I'm going to try to do. I have my rat tail comb. I have my clips. For moisturizer, I'm going to use the Melanin leave-in conditioner. I've been using it for, I don't know, a couple of months now. Clearly, I like it. I'm also going to go in with the Amo Natural butter. You guys already know this is an oldie but goodie. If you're a real one, then you know about this product. So those are the products I'm going to use to moisturize my hair. Because I haven't washed my hair in over a month, it also means that I haven't detangled my hair in over a month. I only detangle my hair on wash days, okay? I don't bother trying to detangle my hair in between wash days. Why? Honestly, that's asking for trouble. For this style, I want my parting to look bomb. So I'm going to spend a lot of time parting. The entire style is around parting your hair. For the bantu knots, I'm not too worried about how small they will be because my hair is, natural. It shrinks up. It's not gonna be big knots, but I'm okay with that. If it's too small, I do have some backup here in my closet behind me, so we will make it do what it do when we get to that part. I think the first part I'm gonna do is straight down the middle, and I have buildup all over my scalp. Great. Of course, that's what's about to happen. It's a struggle having to part your hair wearing glasses because I need to be able to see. And when you put your head down, you can't see out of your glasses. It's a struggle. Anyway. We have an initial part from ear to ear. So now let's work on the back. I think I'm gonna do another section right around here. And then I'm going to also split this one into another section. So we have our main sections. We are basically halfway done. At least I would like to think so. So now I'm gonna do 2 diagonal parts, okay? That's what I'm gonna do now. Okay, so one side is bigger than the other, but I'm tempted to just leave it. Who's checking for my parts? Really going to make sure I moisturize my hair because I'm skipping wash day again. You know, I have to make sure that it's moisturized. Detangle a little bit. All right, so now I'm just going to put my hair in a nice tight twist. Not too tight because, you know, we don't want breakage or anything over here. And then put my hair into a bantu knot. So here we are in my little bantu knot situation. And this is the hairstyle. I hope that you guys enjoyed it today. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Thumbs up this video for 4C hairstyles that are not glorified, but yet looser hair textures get away with it. Just because of that only, thumbs up this video. I'm noticing some things, okay? I'm noticing a lot of things and I don't like it. Anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, what else? Comment, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.